What up, Crypto Warriors? It's Talking Crypto back with you again. Today is Thursday, August 6, 2020. If you can't say something nice, don't say nothing at all. Let's get into it. Blockstream's Adam Back slams Ethereum as a Ponzi scheme. If you're wondering who Adam Back is, computer scientist and Blockstream CEO Adam Back has compared Ethereum and other high-cap altcoins to Ponzi schemes in a Twitter tirade today. BitConnect, Charles Ponzi, Ethereum, OneCoin, Cardano, Ripple, Bernie Madoff, Stellar, Dan Larmer, all looking very similar grade to me. Well, if you want to know who this person Adam Back is, if you're not familiar, there's a very convincing video out there on YouTube that basically makes the argument that this is Satoshi. So this is who Adam Back is. He's a cryptographer, computer scientist. He's been in the crypto games since the 90s or whatever, all right? Charles Ponzi and Bernie Madoff are two of the most famous creators of Ponzi schemes, while BitConnect and OneCoin are famous cryptocurrency projects that were revealed to be Ponzi. We have the like of him comparing Dan Larmer to Dan Larmer, Back likened such schemes to altcoins Ethereum, Ripple, and Stellar, along with Dan Larmer, presumably reference to BitShares and Steam creator Dan Larmer. Back's swipe came in a dialogue with TV journalist Leah Halpern, who asked whether he thought Ethereum was a scam or if it added value to the ecosystem. And he just said, well, 70% pre-mine says it all. Which would you say is a bit bigger scam, Ripple or Ethereum? And that's the problem with ICOs, and especially back in the day when they had an ICO for Ethereum, the founders and investors got 70% pre-mined, and then the other 30% or whatever was sold to the ICO, or sold for the ICO. Vitalik hit back saying, reciting tired old propaganda is becoming less and less effective every day. Ethereum is rising, proof of stake and sharding are rising, and rollups are here, all through a large distributed ecosystem working in parallel. The tides of history will not be favorable to maximalism. And I agree with Vitalik on that note, saying that these legit projects, man, like Ethereum, where we have governments and large institutions building on it, I mean, how can you even say that it's a Ponzi? And maybe it's the rise of Ethereum within this past 6 or 8 months, this past year, with the advent of the DeFi, the DeFi space blowing up, that we're starting to see a lot of these Bitcoin maximalists coming out and starting to bash Ethereum again. This is the kind of petty stuff I don't like about crypto, about this space. The fact that we can, as grown adults, still act like petty teenagers. But this is way above my pay grade. I'm just giving you my opinion here. It's saying that Bitcoiners may be worried because of the rise of Ethereum and the price and DeFi and all that good stuff. And ETH 2.0 is coming out soon. Proof of stake consensus will be launched within months. If successful, Ethereum will eventually be able to process exponentially more transaction than Bitcoin. And the fact that Bitcoin is quote unquote slow is not a bug. It is a part of the protocol, all right? It is what allows it to be so safe. It's either you have speed or you have security. And the fact that Bitcoin is, again, slow is not a bug. It is a feature, and that feature is security. Having a secure network. And you'll see why I'm talking about that again in this story over here. Next, 3 ways U.S. Fed printing is fueling huge gold, silver, and Bitcoin rally. This is pretty much self-explanatory. The price of gold, silver, and Bitcoin are all rallying in tandem as various macro factors boost alternative assets. The various macro factors, there's only 2 things that's really boosting it. The fact that they're printing so much currency, and the fact that they have interest rates at record lows. They have interest rates at near zero officially, but I read an article earlier today that stated that if interest rates are actually below zero at negative 1% or negative 1.5%. And we're having a lot of these, not only the Fed, the central bank here in the United States, but other central banks worldwide are all following the same play, out of the same playbook. They're all doing the same thing. they're all printing currency and they're all dropping interest rates either to negative or record lows of zeros all across the globe. Where else will people put their money to protect themselves? They'll put it into real assets, real estate, stocks, gold, silver, and Bitcoin. These are real assets. This is how people protect their wealth. People that understand what's really happening, not the 99% of people that don't watch channels like this and try to educate themselves on what's happening on a macro scale. Next is Ethereum Classic, 102% screwed after 51% attack. This is the second attack in less than a week. Second 51% attack in less than a week on Ethereum Classic. Is it done? According to the charts here, no. Ethereum Classic it's only been down over the past 24 hours, almost 3%. That's it. And over the past 7 days, only about 3.5%. So it isn't going anywhere. However, according to Vitalik, he tweeted out that they should switch to proof of stake, given its risk reverse culture. At this point, making the jump seems lower risk than not making it at all. He said that the best way to protect the network is to just go straight to proof of stake and switch from proof of work. And it only cost, right here, it only cost the attackers $192,000 to attack the network. They made 5.6 million, let's subtract the $200,000, so they made $5.4 million in 24 hours, and it only cost them $200,000. That's a good investment, if you ask me. That's a good investment, and I'm not saying that what they did was correct. I'm just pointing out the facts here. These are the numbers right in front of me. They're saying that it cost about $200,000 to attack it, and they were able to, and they made $5.4 million, $5.5 million. That's insane. The fact that this is the second time in less than a week that the blocks got reorganized. Yeah, this is not looking good for Ethereum Classic. However, we have a lot of investors that's invested in Ethereum Classic, and I think they will want it to succeed. Grayscale is invested, and other crypto funds as well are invested in not only Ethereum, but Ethereum Classic as well. So I would think that they definitely want the network to succeed and continue to do what they're doing. Maybe they should just take a play out of Vitalik's notebook and go to proof of stake. And yeah, but we'll see. What do you guys think? Leave a comment in the comment section below. Smash that like, hit that subscribe button, and notification bell to get notified when I upload new videos. And as always, thank you for watching. It's Sergeant Crypto, and I'm out. Peace.